pepper, Chicharong Bulaklak, squash and veggies, 2 cups of water, and a little bit simmer, and done! Ready to serve! Chop red chilies. Put it in a pan with olive oil and simmer. And done! Oil, garlic, onion, pepper, saute, and then put the chicken, breast chicken, simmer for 5 minutes. Soy sauce, tomato sauce, chicken broth, a little bit brown sugar, and then simmer. Put the carrots and the potatoes, chicken cubes, simmer for 5 minutes. Ready to serve and done! Salt, lemon with crushed garlic and ginger. Marinate fish fillet with pepper and salt. Put the garlic and ginger. Add a lemon and lemon slice. Put it in the oven. And done! Saute garlic, onion, and ginger. Put ketchup and soy sauce and saute again. And put the chicken. And done! Oil, garlic, and butter. Saute. Pepper, and then saute. Put the Sprite and then the shrimp. Saute for 2 minutes. Salt, a little bit of ketchup for the flavors, and then simmer for 3 minutes and done! Garlic, onion, ginger, pepper, and then the dried fish, squash, the veggies, salt, coconut milk, green chili, and done! Thanks for watching!